Is the US dollar losing its crown? The world is watching as America's financial credibility takes a hit with billionaire clashes, record debt, and shaken investor confidence. Let's break it down. In just 6 months, the US dollar has lost more than 10% of its value, its worst decline since 1973, the year the dollar was unpegged from gold. At the same time, the euro, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and even gold have surged as global investors search for safer assets. Dollar index down 10.5%, gold up 9%, euro up 6%. This isn't just a currency dip, it's a sign of deepening distrust in US economic leadership. You might think Trump and Musk's feud is just another media spectacle, but it's more than that. Trump's public jabs at Elon Musk and repeated attacks on Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell have unnerved global investors. While Powell has a fixed term and can't be fired easily, the undermining of the Fed's independence has made markets volatile. Undermining Fed equals weakening dollar. Central bank independence is sacred in financial systems, and when that's questioned, investor faith starts to crumble. In a historic move, Moody's downgraded the US credit rating from AAA to AA1, something not seen in decades. Why? Because of the ballooning $37 trillion national debt and nearly $1 trillion in interest payments annually. Add to that ineffective tax revenue, political gridlock, and high spending, and the risk becomes systemic. US debt, $37 trillion, annual interest, $950 billion. This downgrade means higher borrowing costs for the US and potentially for the world. The US dollar isn't just America's problem, it's a global currency. Over 58% of the world's cash reserves are held in dollars, and foreign governments like China, Japan, and the UK own a massive chunk of US government debt. A weaker dollar doesn't just hurt Americans, it raises import prices, increases inflation globally, and destabilizes international trade. Smart money is moving. Investors are increasingly diversifying away from the dollar into gold, Swiss francs, euros, and even crypto. This isn't panic, it's a hedge, a strategy against US political and fiscal uncertainty. For Indian investors, this means your dollar-based holdings might lose value, but it's also a chance to reevaluate forex strategies. A weaker dollar might reduce import bills temporarily, but global inflation pressure could still creep in. Also, gold might become even more attractive as a safe haven asset. The dollar's decline is a symptom of debt overload, political disruption, and shrinking global confidence. Whether Trump returns or not, the bigger question is, can the US economy rebuild its trust? If this video helped you understand the bigger picture, like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into geopolitics, economy, and current affairs.